Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 74 of Think in English, the podcast. My name is Lily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, I'm Ben, and yes, welcome. Today, our topic is super important and super fun, talking about starting English with basic words.
Exactly. Many people think, oh no, English is too difficult, I don't know anything. But guess what? You already know more than you think. And the secret is start small. Start with very basic words. Today, we will show you how easy and enjoyable it can be.
Right, Lily. When I was a beginner, I felt nervous too. But then I learned 10 simple words, then 20, and suddenly I could say sentences. So let's do it together, step by step, slowly and with smiles. Ready?
Ready? Okay, first things first. Greetings. These are the words we use every day when we meet people. Let's practice together right now. Repeat after me, okay? Hello. Hi. Good. Now louder. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good night.
And when we leave?
Goodbye. Bye. See you later. See you tomorrow.
Perfect. Try this at home today. Say hi to someone in your family, or say good morning when you wake up, even to your cat or your mirror. It's fun and it helps your brain remember.
Yes, I sometimes say good morning to my coffee cup. It works. Now, let's move to introductions. This is very important when you meet new people.
Yes, listen and repeat. My name is Lily. I am Lily. I'm from Kazakhstan.
Nice. And questions. What's your name? Where are you from? How are you?
And answers, I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm happy today.
Let's make a tiny dialogue. Imagine we meet for the first time.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Ben. What's your name?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? Only basic words, but it's a real conversation already. You can do this tomorrow with a friend or even with a shop assistant.
Great start. Now let's talk about family. Family words are warm and useful.
Okay. Mother equals mom. Father equals dad. Brother, sister. Grandmother equals grandma. Grandfather equals grandpa.
And son, daughter, husband, wife.
Sentences. I have a mom and a dad. I have one brother. My sister is nice. My grandma lives in Almaty.
Or, I love my family. Simple and sweet. Say one sentence about your family now, out loud.
Good job. Next, colors. Colors are everywhere and they make speaking more interesting.
Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, gray.
Let's play a game. Look around your room right now. Find something red.
Maybe an apple, a book, a pen. Say, this is red.
Now blue. The sky is blue.
Green, grass is green.
Yellow. The sun is yellow.
Try 5 colors today. Point and say the word. It's easy and it sticks in your memory.
Numbers next. Numbers are super important for shopping, telling time, counting friends, everything.
Let's count together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now 21, 22, up to 30 if you want.
Sentences with numbers. I have 2 hands. I see 3 cats. There are 5 apples. My age is... Tell us your age in English in your head.
Good practice. Now, food. Everyone loves food words.
Apple, banana. orange, lemon, strawberry, bread, butter, cheese, egg, rice, pasta, soup, meat, chicken, fish, water, milk, juice, tea, coffee.
Yum me. Sentences: I like bananas. I don't like fish. I drink water every day. I eat bread for breakfast.
What's your favorite food? Say it now. My favorite food is...
Mine is plov. I like plov very much.
Body parts. Very useful when you talk to a doctor or just describe yourself.
Head, hair, face, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes.
Touch and say, "This is my head. These are my eyes. I have 10 fingers." Game. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your ears. Try with friends or family. Animals now. Kids and adults both love this topic. Dog, cat, bird, fish, horse, cow, sheep, chicken, duck, rabbit, mouse. I have a cat. The dog is big and black. I like birds, they sing. What animal do you like? Say, I like days of the week. Let's sing them a little. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Tuesday, or whatever day it is for you. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Yesterday was Monday.
Weather: this is the most common small talk in English.
Sun, rain, cloud, wind, snow, hot, cold, warm, cool. Ask someone, how's the weather today?
Emotions. How do you feel right now?
Happy, sad, angry, tired, hungry, thirsty, excited, bored, surprised.
I am happy because I learn English. I feel tired in the evening. I am excited about this podcast.
Home and furniture.
House, home, room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room, table, chair, bed, sofa, door, window, floor, wall.
I live in a house. My room is small. I sleep in my bed.
School things: book, notebook, pen, pencil, ruler, bag, desk, teacher, student, class. I read a book. I write with a pen.
Time words. Now, today, tomorrow, yesterday, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Week, month, year.
I study English now. Tomorrow I go to the shop. Yesterday I watched a film.
Basic verbs, the engine of sentences. Eat, drink, go, come, see, look, hear, listen, speak, talk, say, tell, read, write, learn, study, play, work, sleep, wake up.
I eat breakfast at 8. You speak English. We learn new words.
Pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
I am a student. She is my sister. They are friends.
Question words. Very powerful. What, who, where, when, why, how.
What is your name? Where do you live? How are you? Why do you learn English?
Adjectives. They make pictures in words. Big, small, long, short, tall, short, new, old, good, bad, beautiful, ugly, fast, slow, easy, difficult, hot, cold.
This is a big apple. My house is small but beautiful. English is easy with this podcast.
Places in the city: school, shop, market, park, street, hospital, bank, cafe, bus stop, home.
I go to the shop. I walk in the park.
Directions: left, right, straight, up, down, near, far.
Turn left. The shop is near my house.
Transport: car, bus, train, plane, bike, motorcycle, taxi, walk.
I go by bus. I ride a bike every day.
Hobbies and free time: play football, play music, sing, dance, draw, paint, watch TV, read books, listen to music, cook, travel.
I like to dance. I play guitar.
Sports: football, basketball, tennis, volleyball, swimming, running.
I like swimming. I run in the morning.
Clothes: let's dress up in English. Shirt, t-shirt, pants, jeans, dress, skirt, jacket, coat, shoes, boots, hat, socks.
I wear jeans and a t-shirt. It's cold, so I wear a coat.
Okay, now let's put many words together in a longer story. Listen and try to imagine it.
Hi, my name is Ben. I am from a small city. I have a big family. Mom, dad, one brother, and one sister. My brother is tall and he likes football. My sister is small and she likes cats. We have one black cat at home.
Every morning, I say good morning to my family. I eat bread and drink tea. Then I go to school by bus. At school, I read books and write with a pen. My favorite color is blue. My bag is blue.
After school, I go to the park. It's sunny and warm. I play with my friends. We run and laugh. I feel happy. In the evening, I eat soup and rice. Then I watch TV or listen to music. I go to bed at 10. Good night.
Wow, Ben, that was a full day and only basic words. You can make your own story like this. Start with 3 sentences, then add more.
Yes. Tip: learn 10 to 15 new words every day. Say them many times. Make sentences. Speak out loud, even alone.
Use your phone, record yourself, or talk to a mirror, or find a language friend online. Mistakes? Normal. I still make mistakes sometimes.
And have fun. Sing English songs with simple words. Watch cartoons for kids in English. They use basic vocabulary.
Draw pictures and write names under them in English. Apple, dog, house.
Play games, say colors you see while walking. Count steps. Name things you touch.
You are doing amazing just by listening today, really.
So let's summarize what we learned in this episode. We started with greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, goodbye. Then introductions. My name is. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Family members, colors, numbers 1 to 20 plus, food and drinks, body parts, animals, days of the week, weather expressions, emotions, home and furniture, school things, time words, basic verbs, pronouns, question words, adjectives, places, directions, transport, hobbies, sports, and clothes.
And we made sentences and even a full, simple story.
That's a lot, but you don't need to remember everything today.
Pick 3 to 5 topics you like most and practice them this week.
Practice every day, even 5 to 10 minutes. Speak, speak, speak. Your English will grow fast.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You are wonderful students. Keep going, keep smiling, keep thinking in English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Stay happy and keep learning.